you and he's standing right in front of the mayyit. How afsoos is that? Namaz Jannazah, it is so easy. A 2-3 minute thing, it is very easy. First you have to do intention, then you just raise your hands, Allahu Akbar. You just say thana like you do in the prayer, Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika till the end. And after the second takbir, you recite Durood Ibrahimiyya, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad till the end. And then it is after the third takbir, where you recite the Namaz Janazah dua. Allahumma ghfirli hayyina wa mayyitina wa shahidina. But even if you do not know this dua, you can recite the dua which you recite in prayer, which is Rabbi Jalni Muqim as-Salati. Then after the fourth takbir, you don't recite anything. Salam to the right, salam to the left, and then that's your namaz janazah done. But by Khuda, it is so concerning that your own mother and your own father's mayyit is in front of you and you can't do the namaz janazah. Your own friend who has died in a car crash, your brother, sister who you grew up with, your nephew, your nieces, you're there standing. What is the point of you standing at the namaz janazah if you can't even say the namaz janazah? There is absolutely no point. So this is why, my dear brothers, it is fard upon each and every one of you, each and every young and old, go home today and learn the method of namaz janazah. Tomorrow when your mother passes away, when your father passes away, come you can do that 4 takbirat for your mother and father. At least you can do that for your mother and for your father. Respected brothers, that's the concerning thing. But alhamdulillah, how fortunate are those individuals that when they pass away, their own awlad, their own son, he is leading the namaz janazah of the people. Allah. Yes, Allah Azza wa Jal, he listens to the hearts that are crying. Yeah, Allah Azza wa Jal, he listens to the heart which is in a lot of dukh and a lot of pain. And you just imagine when your son, he's a hafiz of the Quran. When your son, he's an imam of the masjid. When your son, he's an alim of the deen. And you're there as a mayyit, and your son, he says, Allahu Akbar, Ya Allah, forgive my father. In Arabic, he says this. Allah Azza wa Jal will listen to that crying heart, and Allah Azza wa Jal will forgive you.
Subhanallah.
This is a mission which you need to have. That even if your sons, maybe your sons, they've grown up, they cannot become hafaz. But your grandsons, your great-grandchildren, anybody in your family, maybe you sponsor somebody. I'm going to make you a hafiz of the Quran. I'm going to make you an alim of the religion. So when I die, you lead my janazah. So when I die, you lead my janazah. Allah Azza wa Jal will listen to the du'as. We do dua to Allah Azza wa Jal that inshallah our ending, it is the most profound and the most meaningful ending, inshallah. We do not want to be that mayyit that we are there and our children, they are standing there, but they're looking. Do we raise our hands? Do we raise our hands? What do we recite? Is the Maulvi Sahib's recitation enough for us? What, should we just stand here? Do we tie our hands? We don't want to be in that position. Rather, we want to be in that position where we say, my father's janazah in front of me, my mother's janazah is in front of me, I'm ready to do dua to Allah. That, Ya Allah, when he or she goes inside the grave, Ya Allah, make his grave spacious. Allah Azza wa Jal bless you all. Inshallah, we will have Khatam Sharif.